Which graph best represents the systems of equation and its solutions? So again, on this one, what you need to do is you need to solve for y. Why? Because x and y on the left side. So what I do is y equals divide. I start off with this lonely number, which is negative 16. Opposite of x, which is a positive 8, so it's going to be a minus 8x. And you divide by the number in front of the y, which is a negative 4. So I already have one of my lines graphed. I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Y equals divide. Opposite of, it's the lonely number, which is negative 6. Opposite of positive 3x is negative 3x. Divided by the number in front of the y, which is a positive 15. Now we need to find out which graphs looks like this one. And you need to be very, very observant. As you can see on this one, see how this one is crossing right here, and then this one is crossing on this side. So that one is not it. And then on this one is crossing down here, and this one is crossing over here. So that one is not it. This one is the same thing because it's crossing up here, and this is crossing to the side. The only one that's crossing to the left side is this one right here. So again, that is our answer.